Hey there, it's almost 5. It is the 19th, Wednesday, and check it out. Let's go take a look at the forms. Getting ready for the cement pour. This is most likely going to be the staging to bring the truck all the way up here so that they can pour the slab. Pretty smooth. And then let's go over to this side. You can see the jogger still there, but they'll finish this area. This circular is going to be the front entrance, the exterior entrance, like a dome shape. And then somewhere here is probably a door into the 2 ensuite bedrooms. There's 1, there's 2, and then we have our staircase to downstairs. The banquet room, kitchen area, bar. Oh, we're doing pretty good. Awesome job. Everything's pretty tight, straight. Plumbing's good. So we'll do the pour tomorrow, and one more day at a time. All right, talk to you guys later. Happy hump day. Bye.